Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the concrete works on the road. I will discuss about the retaining wall structures and their construction procedure. Here we are pouring concrete into the apron of the culvert. So basically you can see that we placed the reinforcement bars for the retaining wall. They were connected together with the reinforcement bars of the wing wall of box culvert. You can see the reinforcement bars had been projected out. This is our apron. Basically this retaining wall is constructed all over the culvert in order to stop the soil erosion and to give support to the embankment. As you can see, this retaining wall was constructed to help us in stopping the soil erosion and give stability to the embankment. This is the inlet from where water will be entering the culverts. And this place is the outlet from where water will be flowing out, or you can say this is the downstream. You can see how we have constructed the retaining wall here. Once we are through, we shall be doing the backfilling. Backfilling will have to be done in layers, or it has to be done step by step. You may see here the total height is 3 meters of this particular retaining wall. The thickness of the retaining wall is 30 centimeters. You can see here that the reinforcement bars were placed and then we are pouring concrete. We had to use funnel here in order to do the concrete works, since it was difficult to pour concrete into the retaining wall. However, if you have the crane, you may use it in order to pour concrete. You may see that the retaining wall is ready. You can see it is connected together with the other box culvert. So all this embankment has been protected. Later on we shall be doing some stone pitching work, and then we shall provide concrete chutes so that the water can flow out from the carriageway. This is our downstream. So you can see here that after we are through with the construction of our retaining walls, we are doing the backfilling. Simultaneously we had to do the filling of our road. We had to do subgrading, sub base and then base course. All this was done in layers. You can see here that the excavator is being used to spread the laterite. However, for the grading work we had to use the grader. Once we are through, we shall be opening the carriageway for the traffic. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to write in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, goodbye.